हैंड में निकल दो।
हाँ हैंड ब्रेक कर
निकल दो।
हाँ निकाल।
Hi friends, good afternoon. Today is 5th October and it's around 1:30 p.m. और हमारा सडन प्लान बना so because it's a weekend let's go and explore some more places. So आज हमारे प्लान में है शिवसमुद्रम which is around 157 kilometers from our home. So we'll be starting now and it will take around we believe 4 hours. 4 hours?
Yeah.
For us
it will take around 4 hours.
Yeah, 4 hours to
As per
reach.
the map, it's showing to take the Kanakpura road.
Yeah.
And it's 157 kilometer.
Yeah.
So approximately 4 hours it will take.
So we'll be once we'll be there, we'll be showing you the places over there.
Being late, so we have to start.
We have
So
to run
let's go.
now. Let's go. Bye bye. Almost 100 kilometers and more 50 kilometers to cover but अभी शाम होती जा रही है तो we are still trying to reach and reach Shivasamudram but
Another 1 hour mostly.
within an hour we are planning we are trying our best so अभी we are not sure till like how much more we can cover in 1 hour because it's almost 4:30 now so let's see हम कहाँ तक कवर कर पाते हैं शाम होने से पहले हमें वहाँ पहुँचना है तो अभी तो यहाँ पे काफी धूप है तो देखते हैं अभी कहाँ तक पहुँच पाते हैं हम तो हम फिर आपको अपडेट्स देते रहेंगे फिर अकॉर्डिंगली we don't know like at what time it gets closed Shivasamudram gets closed so we are still on the way so let's see if it is open and we are able to enter inside so we देखते हैं because we didn't get much information on the closing time in online so देखते हैं अभी हम पहुंच पाते हैं और enter कर पाते हैं कि नहीं वहाँ पर
So guys, we reached late and they are not allowing us. The time is actually 5 p.m. till 5 p.m. So let's see, we'll continue from here then back.
did not make it to the Barachukki Falls, which is the actual Shivasamudram viewpoint. Because its time is still 5 p.m. और हमें कौन से 5:30 हो गया था, तो the main gate was closed and they didn't allow us to go inside. So उसके पास ही है, this is Barachukki Falls. So this is near to the main falls. तो हमने यहाँ का व्यू देखा था, तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे this is the same
This is also
river.
very nice. And the viewpoint is that side. If you can see, that side is the viewpoint.
So it's the same river,
Yeah.
but it's like the complete view you can see it in the Shivasamudram viewpoint. और यहाँ से आप बस उसका एक पोर्शन देख सकते हैं. So this is known as the Barachukki Falls. So there is boundaries. You can't go much inside. So बाहर से ही आप ये देख सकते हैं. तो पानी का फ्लो काफ़ी ज़्यादा है यहाँ पर. एंड जो वाइड साइड है इसका, वो आपको दूसरे साइड में हम देख सकते थे.
Guys, we could not make it to the Barachukki Falls because it is closed by 5 p.m. So make sure you reach before 5 p.m. if you want to view that waterfall. That is really very beautiful, and the height is pretty high also. Unfortunately, we could not make it because we were at 5:30 and they are very strict, they didn't allow. So you make sure you reach before 5 p.m. and opening time is morning 9. So anytime between 9 to 5 will be a good time to have a view. And make sure you come in the monsoon time. As you can see here in the Barachukki Falls also, the water flow is pretty high. The same will be there in the Barachukki Falls as well. So make sure you come in the monsoon and enjoy the viewpoint. So guys, we are starting now to Bangalore again. Another 4 hours from now. Now it is 6:10, so around 10 we'll be reaching Bangalore again. So फिर next time जब आएंगे तो we'll show you
the complete waterfall, जो कि इससे काफ़ी बड़ा है और आप क्लियरली देख पाएंगे. So we'll make sure आपको हम next time ज़रूर वो वीडियो कवर करें आपके लिए. हमारी गाड़ी अभी पंक्चर हो गई थी, एक टायर, पीछे वाला टायर. So we have fixed it now in a nearby shop. So it was a small town, a small place. So we got the shop luckily and it got fixed now. So अब हम फिर यहाँ से चल पड़े हैं बेंगलुरु की तरफ. And it's approximately 100 किलोमीटर घर तक पहुँचने के लिए. So हमें लग जाएंगे almost 2 hours.
Yeah, and we have taken the Mysore road this time. So थोड़ा सा fast भी रहेगा. So let's reach home. Hey guys, we have reached Bangalore right now, and it's 10 o'clock. It's drizzling right now in Bangalore.
So for today's trip, it's a nice place for one day outing. और आप इसे सुबह प्लान करिए, जैसे कि आप 9-10 बजे सुबह घर से निकल जाएं. It will take like 4 hours.
And also they are closing it at 5 because they said that some wild animals they are coming to that place because it's a forest actually. So they are very strict about that. So if you are planning, then you can start by 10 o'clock. You can easily reach by 3.5 hours and you can enjoy the day.
Yeah. So next weekend, so just stay tuned and we'll keep you posted on our next travel. And if you like video, then please do just hit the like button.
यहाँ तक देख ले तो like किए बिना मत जाना. यहाँ तक देख ले तो like तो बनता है.
And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Bye bye.
Bye bye guys. Good night.
Good night.